7. Home maintenance tips for North Carolina. Homeowners in spring. Inspect your roof and gutters. North Carolina's spring often brings increased rainfall, making it essential to ensure your roof is in good condition. Check for any signs of damage, loose shingles, or clogged gutters to prevent water damage to your home. Clean and maintain HVAC systems. Spring is the perfect time to spring clean your HVAC unit, clean vents, and replace air filters. Ensure your system is running efficiently for the warmer months ahead. Inspect for winter damage. Winter weather can take a toll on your home. Check for any signs of winter damage such as cracks in the foundation, leaks, or damage to siding. Addressing these issues early can prevent further damage. Take care of yard work. Spring is the perfect time to spruce up your yard. Seed any bare spots on your lawn, trim trees and bushes, and clear away debris to enhance your home's curb appeal. Check decks and patios. With outdoor living being popular in North Carolina, it's crucial to inspect decks and patios for any signs of wear and tear. Look for loose boards, cracks, or signs of rot, and address any issues to ensure safety. Inspect chimney and flashing. Ensure your chimney and flashing are in good condition. Look for any cracks, loose bricks, or damaged flashing that could lead to leaks or chimney fires. Addressing these issues early can save you from costly repairs.